Okay, I'm going to install my Level Lock Plus this morning. I've already disassembled my existing lock without much issue here. You can see it's pretty, the only issue I had was that the paint here kind of got stuck to the lock, so I just had to jimmy it out. And then the strike plate, I don't know, looks like I had a plate within a plate. I'm not sure if we're gonna need to remove that one, but I'm gonna go with it for now. Let's see what happens. Okay, says to fasten it with 2 Phillips screws, which they came with the set here. Looks like I gotta do it right in here. All right, well, that's a little bit harder than I thought, but it's in there. All right, so the instruction says slide the bolt on and then tighten it with a screw there. So let's give that a go. That was pretty easy. Okay, it says to put in the strike plate. Looks like I will have to take that off. Okay, it took a while, but I'm almost got this screw out from the second plate here. This piece took a little paint along with okay, we got the strike plate here with the screws. Gonna have to put them in here. All right, opens and closes. Okay, I gotta then put, this is the casing. It's pretty nice. With the key, this is gonna eventually have the little switch. So this goes on the outside, this goes on the inside. The red. Snap this guy on. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm on the last step. Unscrew the cap on the end of the bolt and insert the battery with the flat end towards the cap, okay? Yeah. That's cool. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Oh, I heard a chirp. That's a good sound. Cool. Download the Level Home app. All right.